The special investigation team, which is probing the sexual abuse cases against the Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna as well as his father H.D. Revanna, has detained 4 members from Mysore's KR Nagar. Now, this related to the kidnap case that was registered in the Mysuru against H.D. Revanna, the JDS MLA from Hole Narsipura. Now, the police is trying to understand that what is the role of these 4 individuals in the kidnap case, because remember the victim's son had come forward to file a complaint and has accused the H.D. Revanna as well as his close aide Satish Babanna as well that his mother was kept in an illegal detention is what is said by the victim's son in the complaint. And now on that lines that the investigation process is on, the SIT has detained these 4 individuals. So needs to be seen what is going to be their role in this whole case as that the investigation process is on. On the other hand, there has been a demand to hand over this whole case to the CBI from JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy, who is also a former CM of the Karnataka, because what he has told that there is a complete impartial investigation process taking place. There is no transparency at all, because it's the same SIT which is talking about everything that is against H.D. Revanna as well as the Prajwal Revanna, but is not even talking about whereabouts about the Karthik, not even trying to understand and investigate that angle as well, because he is not in the country is what has been said by H.D. Kumaraswamy. But needs to be seen that when is that the SIT is going to swing into an action when it comes to Karthik's part in this whole case. On the other hand, when we talk about the H.D. Revanna's bail hearing, the arguments were completely incomplete in the court, and that's the reason the matter has been now adjourned till Monday. And that is there the court has also told the SIT to submit the investigation report on Monday. So needs to be seen that what are going to be the findings of the SIT in that investigation report. That will remain very crucial, because even as that the H.D. Revanna's close aide Satish Babanna remains to be in the police custody in the kidnap case itself. H.D. Revanna is in the judicial custody till Tuesday. So what is going to happen in the court, that will remain very crucial. And biggest question of course still remains that even after weeks after that the FIRs were registered against Prajwal Revanna, there are no clue about the whereabouts about Prajwal Revanna and when is that he is going to return back to the country to appear in front of the SIT for an investigation process.